Hi, this is Zoe, and you're welcome to Auto Says. Well, you don't need a Ferrari badge to feel Ferrari power roaring beneath your feet. If that surprised you, give this video a like. It helps us bring you daily car content that packs just as much punch as a V12 at Redline. Let's face it, owning a Ferrari isn't just about cash. It's about clout, connections, and sometimes the patience of a saint. The brand's strict sales policies and sky-high prices can make even the wealthiest car enthusiasts feel like they're knocking on the door of an exclusive club. But what if I told you there's a back door? That's right, over the years, Ferrari has quietly shared its engines with a handful of non-Ferrari cars. These vehicles offer the raw emotion of Italian, performance without the velvet rope, exclusivity of Maranello. And no, we're not talking about rebadged clones. These are legit machines with their own stories, and sometimes even cooler than the real thing. First up, the Fiat Dino. Imagine this: Ferrari needed to build 500 V6 engines to race in Formula 2, but their factory couldn't handle the volume. Enter Fiat, with mass production muscle and a stylish twist. The result? The Dino Coupe and Spider, featuring a real Ferrari-designed V6 built in part by Pininfarina and eventually assembled in Maranello itself. Not bad for a family car, right? Next, the Lancia Stratos HF. This rally rocket wasn't just cool, it was cunning. Lancia, fresh off its Fulvia success, needed more firepower. Ferrari was hesitant, until the Dino GT was done. Lancia snagged the 2.4-liter V6 and created the first purpose-built rally car. The result? A 3-time World Rally champion and an automotive legend. Let's be honest, if this thing had wings, it would fly. Third on the grid, the ASA 1000 GT. Nicknamed the Baby Ferrari, this forgotten gem came with a tiny 1.0-liter engine crafted directly by Ferrari. Yes, just 1 liter. Don't laugh. It was basically a miniature Colombo V12. Designed by Giotto Bizzarini, the same mind behind the Ferrari 250 GTO. Think of it as Ferrari's indie album, critically praised, barely sold, now a cult classic. Fourth, the Lancia Thema 8.32. It's what happens when an Italian business suit borrows a Ferrari heart. This luxury sedan hit a detuned 3.0-liter V8 from the Ferrari 308 under its hood. Built by Ducati, trimmed in fine wood and leather, and equipped with a pop-up spoiler. Yes, like a gentleman's Batmobile. Fast, yes. Flashy? No, and maybe that's the point. And finally, the Maserati MC12. At first glance, it looks like a stretched Ferrari Enzo, and you'd be right. Beneath its long carbon fiber shell is a Ferrari V12 tuned for track duty. With input from Schumacher and only 50 units made, the MC12 is a rare beast that bites just as hard as it barks. So what's the takeaway here? Ferrari might build engines like art, but sometimes their best work ends up outside their own gallery. These 5 machines prove that greatness isn't always defined by the badge, it's defined by the heartbeat under the hood. Which one would you drive if you could pick just one? Tell us in the comments. We read every single one. And if you want more deep dives into rare engines, forgotten legends, and automotive game changers, hit that subscribe button, because tomorrow's story might just change how you see your daily driver. Thanks for watching. Keep the revs high and the curiosity higher. See you in next. Bye.